So I've got some new goodies from Games Workshop, so that's what we're opening up on today's episode. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So I'm super excited to get to open this little box from Games Workshop. I ordered myself some of the washes that Citadel Paints makes. All totaled, I ordered 15 of their washes. I've never used them before, and I'm a little leery about working out of these paint pots. I'm only used to working out of dropper bottles, but we'll see how I like them. I've heard great things about the quality of these products versus the washes that you get with Vallejo, so I'm excited to put them to the test. They certainly have a wonderful range of colors. Here we've got some close-ups of the individual shades that I ordered. So it's a short unboxing video this week, but I'm excited to put these to the test in my miniatures and train pieces. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.